नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। और दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 59 और जो मेरा टारगेट है उसके लिए डे रह रहे हैं ओनली 310 दिन। 310 days are remaining. So let us see what will be my today's schedule, what I will do today to achieve my goal. But before that, we have to see how much I have achieved from my yesterday's goal. So today is 21st of July and yesterday was 20th July. Okay friend, I am very happy to announce that yesterday I achieved my goal completely. As you can see in my yesterday's video, my main target was GS3, this topic, conservation of environment, and I did half of this. I did more than half, nearly 90% of that topic. So I did this thing very nicely, and even during buffer time I did the same thing. Okay, and from 9 to 10 I did this thing, what is retrieval, that means revision, and from 10 to 11 I did call and marginal gain. So basically I did 100% of my daily schedule. That's why I am very happy. Friend, if you will provide your support by subscribing the channel and continuously taking my reports, it will give me motivation to make to progress on my path. So please subscribe the channel. Okay, now let us see what is my today's schedule. As you can see, today is 21 of July. So as you can see, today 9 to 10 I will do technique learning, what techniques required for study, and I will do this GS for public service values and ethics in public administration. Half of this topic I will do today. Okay, public service value, then from 1 to 2 also I will do the same thing, public service value and ethics in public administration, same here. And 6 to 8 is my buffer time. If anything remaining I will do that thing during this time. 9 to 10 I will do retrieval 1, and 10 to 11 I will do co marginal gain, research and development. So this is my today's schedule. Hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel.